bucks.
Are you feeding yourself with your spoon? Yep. Granny would be proud.
You get the whole bowl, buddy?
Yep.
You get the whole bowl?
Say Papa and Nanny are watching. You're gonna eat some yogurt with your spoon.
I don't think he's getting any of it in his mouth.
You should see his bib.
It's a river of yogurt.
Yeah, try to eat yogurt with your finger.
Good job, Ian.
Yeah, he's wanting to do it himself.
Yep, he didn't want me to do it at all. Good job.
You need to take smaller mouthfuls, bud.